Ooh wee! Oh my!
Alright, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So, finally a mod for the F-150. First mod we're doing today is, if you know the Raptors, I'm going to post a picture here. They're known for having the orange amber lights across the top of the grill, and for the new 2018, a company called Custom Auto Works has just produced a grill light just to replicate that for the 2018 F-150. Now typically the Raptor has 3 lights, this one actually has 4, so it's a little different, but this one is pretty neat. I'll show it to you here. So it's this metal bracket. It's got 4 amber LEDs across the top, and what's cool is it just plugs right in. It's just a plug and play, so it's got like kind of a jumper harness, so it plugs right in, and it's a really simple install. There's just these 2 screws that go up top, and this slides right underneath the top of the grill. So we're gonna install that today. So there is the V6 Beast, looking really dirty. Actually, if this install couldn't get any easier, these screws actually go through the radiator dust cover, going all the way down to the light bracket. So yeah, that's super easy. Right there. And here's the screws up top, these 2 little guys. They replace where the 2 clips go. So you remove this little air box, not air box, but this is like the little intake that goes through the hood, to the front of the hood, to the air box. There is this plug right here, and that's kind of hard to see right now, but there's this plug right here, and your little jumper harness here plugs into that, and that's literally it. So it's a jumper harness, and we're gonna plug it in, and once it gets closer to sunset, I'll show you guys the lights. Alright, I figured I'd show you guys in the daytime, just so you can kind of see. So it goes on when all the other marker lights are on. Look pretty cool though. So there's 4, whereas in the Raptor there's 3. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm showing you guys what the lights look like at night. So here's with just the marker lights on. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. So let's turn the headlights on. And there's with the headlights on. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Sorry it took me a couple days to finish the video, but I just closed it out for you so you can see what the lights look like. Let me know what you guys think below, what you think of the Raptor lights on the F-150. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. And make sure you guys check out VanVorstGarage.com if you want any posters of our photos. See you guys on the next one.